So when you get to this part of the project where you've gotten to the crown and your needles are a little bit too big, what you can do is you can slide part of your needle out the back and then pull the left needle back through, and that will give you some space, and then you can also pull the needle through those stitches as well. So then it gives you some more space, and I'll just show you. I'll just knit one, purl one, all the way to the other needle, or till all the stitches are off the left needle. I'll show you what to do. So purl the last one. Then what you do, slide the right needle to about maybe the third stitch, pull the tail through, and then pull that left needle back round, and then just find a nice spot to pull that tail through. So you kind of got 3 sections, and then you just keep on going like you would normally. You can also use double pointed needles. I've never used them before. They do seem to be something that a lot of people use though for the end of the crown, but I kind of see this as a similar concept. I just don't have to buy more needles because I've already got enough of those. So you just keep on doing this until you get to the end. Can get a little bit fiddly with that right needle when you don't have anything holding onto it. So I got back to the start. I've only got one decreased row left, but you can see that the needle is way too big for it and you can't really stretch it out too much, but that's how you finish off your crown.